Imagine a city so holy, 3 faiths crave its soul. After decades under Christian rule, Jerusalem's golden dome glinted in the desert. Silent, waiting. Saladin, a Kurdish sultan with vision as vast as any emperor before him, watched from across the Nile. He'd grown up hearing tales of the prophet and of knights who prayed facing east. His mission was more than war. He set out to reclaim Jerusalem, unite the fractured Muslim world, and prove that compassion could walk hand in hand with conquest. It's 1187. Europe's Crusader kingdoms bicker and bleed each other at the edges. Saladin is patient, gathering tribes and emirs, forging alliances with shrewd diplomacy just as quickly as with his sword. Word spreads. Here is a man who commands not by fear, but by respect. When the call to holy war echoes from minaret to minaret, Saladin's armies answer. Across the Levant, his banner, green with Arabic script, becomes a symbol of hope and unity. The moment comes at Hattin. In the blistering heat of July, Saladin faces the Crusader army led by King Guy of Lusignan. On one side, knights in steel, blinded by pride and thirst. On the other, Saladin's disciplined ranks, cool and calculating. He cuts off their water. The Crusaders stumble, surrounded. Saladin closes in, encircling them with fire and steel. The crescent triumphs at Hattin. Saladin's men capture nearly every knight, the myth of invincible crusaders shattered in a single day. With a path to Jerusalem open, Saladin marches. No wanton vengeance, no scorched earth. His strategy is simple. Show mercy where others would demand blood. Jerusalem panics as his armies approach. Within the ancient walls, memories haunt every alley. Just 88 years before, Crusaders had slaughtered Muslims and Jews alike. Would Saladin do the same? When the city surrenders, Saladin's answer shocks the world. Instead of butchery, he offers protection for all. Christian and Jewish citizens may buy their safety. The poor are freed by Saladin himself. Sacred sites are preserved, churches respected. The cross atop the Holy Sepulchre is lowered quietly, not shattered in triumph. Stories say he refused to celebrate until even the last of his enemies had left safely. Wealth and fame tempt lesser men, but Saladin's coins buy no palaces. He gives away his fortune, barely affording his own burial. Even Richard the Lionheart, his greatest foe in the Third Crusade, begrudgingly calls him the ideal of chivalry. Saladin's capture of Jerusalem redraws the map, reshapes faith, and inspires generations. His legend grows, not just a conqueror, but a model of justice and honor in a brutal age. Centuries later, Muslim, Christian, and Jewish traditions honor the man whose mercy echoed louder than his sword. His sarcophagus in Damascus bears no jewels, just respect from friends and former foes alike. Saladin's story reminds us, sometimes the greatest triumph isn't seizing a city, but winning hearts after the battle ends. And as long as Jerusalem's stones glow in the evening sun, his legacy endures, waiting for the next chapter in the story of conquerors and kings.